To make slime, glue. It started recording on itself. It's freaky. Ah, I just got on my hand. Damn. I'm not trying to glue myself together. Actually, I am. I need to glue myself together with my faulty connective tissue. I'm just falling apart on the inside. All right, that's the glue. And then you need a half a cup of water too. So I'm gonna get another half cup. Half cup glue, half cup water. I've never made slime before, so if I'm doing something wrong, somebody tell me in the section below, please. Half teaspoon. Oh, there's so much glue on everything. I should have worn gloves. I hate things on my hands. It's a sensory thing. I'm neurodivergent. What can I say? All right. I'm sensitive. Water, baking soda, contact solution. 1 tablespoon. That's the big one. I'm going to use one that has barely anything left. Actually, both of them I'm going to do. Use the lesser. All right. You just got to know how to work it. Work it. Work it good. Work it good. Oh, sorry, out of frame here. Can I get a half tablespoon out? That is the question. Yeah. All right, there's that. So we got all that together. So then all I got to do is add the stuff I wanted now, basically. Colors and smells, and I want Douglas fir smell. There's that tree smell. I like the outdoors. Huh? How much of this do I put in? Probably enough. Just making shit up at this point. Gotta have some beads because I'm the bead lady. Come on. We need lots of glitter too. Lots of glitter. Fancy spoons. No. I don't post things there. Oh, that's only a few. Alright, we need some stars. Where'd the stars go? Are those out? Hold on. Okay. Sprinkle little stars. 1, 2, and 3 of these. Magic number. Now I need to, I can't take all my rings off. I'm gonna have 1 heart because I only have 1 heart. Glitter, yes. What kind of glitter? I don't want to take too much of this stuff here. Oh, shit. Make a wish. We need some gold. We need some silver. Oh, that was a lot. And some white.
Yeah, I like the white one.
It needs to be white. And then, how about a little bit of green too? I like green. Just a... Okay. Now. Alright. Time to start. This is how you make slime. It's probably gonna fail. I didn't do it right. Is this how you do it? Oh. Looks like snot. I think I did it. I think it works still, maybe. Yeah, that feels not too bad. But the question is, do we have containers? Or is it zip? Is that what the Ziploc bags are for? In its place? I'll have a container at home. It smells great. I don't think it's silvery enough. But, okay, can you help me? You can smell it?
I can smell it from here.
I don't know if I'll be able to get it out of my bag. How do you get it out you?
Use one of these, but these are disinfectant.
I should have put more glitter on that one. It's not pretty enough, but whatever. Gotta get out of here before the man gets us. I like yelled at us like, what are you doing here?
Someone in town, oh yeah, they were back here, fucking around forever.